Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a little tool for using it in the kitchen for making pasta. It's a pasta maker. Now there's several different types. There is the hand-powered type where you have the little machine, you run the crank, and you put the dough in there, and it just goes through and it forms the different shapes of pasta that the dies are set up for. Then there is the type that is electric, still a small one. You put the dough in there and you push the button, it goes and it just feeds it right through. Then there's the ones that go on an existing tool you already have. If you happen to have a a mixer such as the KitchenAid, it has a pasta dough attachment for it with all sorts of different dies for it as well. So whatever it is you think you're going to need, think about adding it to your kitchen tools for the future. Now, some of you saying, well, I really don't think, power is going to go down, blah, 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 et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. There's power outages all the time. Power doesn't have to go down permanently for you to use one that's hand powered. So if you want to be a little bit more self-sufficient and save on your electricity bill, think about getting one of the hand-powered ones. Besides that, if you got grandkids, if you're not old enough for grandkids, you have kids that are still, early teens and preteens, they might get a kick out of running a hand-powered pasta maker. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Add kitchen tools like a pasta maker. Also, learn a new skill every month. Skills make you valuable. All right. Also, reminder about next year. We're doing the 2025 Indoor Garden Food Challenge where you grow food indoors. And if you're wondering about why should I need to grow food indoors, look at what's happening right now. There's a lot of videos out there about stuff coming from the stores that is tainted and contaminated. There's one video out there I saw that talks about the labels on fresh fruit and stuff. And I forget the numbers, but there's if it begins with 9, it's one thing. If it begins with an 8, it's something else. Talks about whether it's organic, GMO, has type chemicals added to it during shipment and stuff. There's a video out there talking about all the different labels on the numbers on the labels for fruits and vegetables. Okay, so grow your own, because some of that stuff you don't want to eat.